Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use spell check in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked on a spreadsheet packed with text, maybe product descriptions, student names, or project notes, you know how important it is to catch those sneaky typos before anyone else spots them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident checking your spreadsheet for spelling errors, and you'll know exactly how to fix them, ignore them, or even teach Google Sheets a new word. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's get set up. You'll want to make sure that all the cells you intend to check are selected. The easiest way is to click that little square up in the top left corner of your spreadsheet where the row numbers and column letters meet. Just a single click there highlights your entire sheet at once. If you only want to check a specific section, you can click and drag to select just those cells, but for a full sweep, that top left corner is your best friend. Once you've made your selection, take your mouse up to the main menu bar and find the option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on it. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a section titled Spelling, and you'll want to select that. Think of it like pulling out your digital red pen. As soon as you click, Google Sheets will jump into action, searching through your highlighted area for any words that don't match its dictionary. Now here comes the helpful part. A dialog box is going to pop up right on your screen. Don't be startled, this is just Sheets' way of saying, hey, I think I found something you might want to check. Inside this box, you'll see each word Sheets is flagged one by one. Maybe you've missed a letter, maybe it's a brand name, or maybe it's just a word Google Sheets doesn't recognize. Either way, you'll get a clear, focused view of each potential error. So this is where you decide how to handle each suggestion. For every error, you have a few choices, and each one has its purpose. If Google Sheets proposes a change and it looks right, say, correcting environment to environment, simply click Accept. The cell updates instantly and you're ready to move to the next one. If Sheets highlights a word you know is correct, like a unique last name or a technical term, you can choose Ignore. Don't worry, ignoring a suggestion doesn't erase the word or change it. It just tells Sheets, I got this, it's okay as is. And sometimes you may use certain custom words all the time, maybe your business name or a coined term. If you want Google Sheets to skip flagging it in the future, you can add to dictionary. That way, from now on, Sheets will remember it's a word you trust. You'll repeat this process as you go, review the suggestion, choose whether to accept, ignore, or add, and then move on to the next word. It might take a few moments if you have a large sheet, but trust me, this little bit of time up front can save you from some embarrassing mistakes down the road. And that's all there is to it. Using spell check in Google Sheets is a really quick step that can make a huge difference in the accuracy and professionalism of your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions or if there are other Google Sheets tips you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.